Have you been wondering why you're still broke today?
Or you are wondering why you're still struggling financially today?
Yes, guys, today we're going to be revealing to you 5 reasons that might have been keeping you in that situation. Family, it's your girl Precious.
It's your boy Rogers.
Yes, guys, as we said, we are going to be revealing to you 5 reasons why you're still broke today and how you can fix that.
Yes, guys, and if you're ready for this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, and let's go into it.
So the first reason why you're still broke today is because you lack financial goals. The truth, guys, is most people are living in the present and they're not thinking about the future. Yes, you know what? It's good to live in the present, but you also have to think about your future. You know, what do you want to achieve financially in the next 1 year, in the next 2 years, in the next 3 years? That will give you a clear direction of where you want to be in the next future. You see, because if you don't do that, truly every money that is going to come in your hands, you're going to use it right away because you're telling yourself, me, I live in the present, I don't live in the future. And that might be the reason why till now you're still in the same position you were 3 years ago, because you lack financial goals. So make sure you set clear financial goals. I want to give an example of us. I remember when we got married, you know, we were living from hand to mouth. Why? Because we didn't have any clear goal. But how did we solve that? We came together and said, you know what do we really want to achieve together as a couple in the next 1 year? Then we said we wanted this. From there, any money that we got, we made sure some part of it we're channeling it to what? To what we want to achieve financially as a couple. So start now, set clear financial goals. What do you want to achieve 1 year from now? What do you want to achieve 2 years from now? Once you identify that, it means whatever money comes your way, no matter how small it is, when you get that money, you're going to channel part of it to what you want to achieve in the future. So that was our first point.
Our second reason why you're still broke today is failure to save money. I've seen most people, mostly when you're beginning life, you find that the problem you have are more than the money you make. That makes it so much difficult for you to save money, which means so many people focus on solving problems and end up not saving. So if you have been doing that, just know year after year you're going to be solving problems because you can't finish the problems. What do you need to do? No matter how many problems you have, make sure you get a portion for saving and forget about it. As you can lose money and you forget about it, make sure that you pretend as if you have lost that money, but at least you have saved it for somewhere, and maybe the problem you solve one by one. That's the only thing you can do to fix that, because problems won't finish. The only thing you can do, save a portion, forget about it. Trust me, you're going to improve your financial status.
So the third reason why you might still be broke today is because you act rich and spend more just to impress people. This is what I mean, guys. You know exactly how much you make in a month. I want to give an example. Maybe you're making $200 a month. Despite knowing what you make in a month, you go on to buy a shoe of $150. You go on and buy a handbag of $100. Why? Because you want to impress the next person. Because of that, you're going to end up spending almost 3/4 of your income in expenses. Not just expenses, silly expenses, and you forgot even the bigger expenses. You know what? There are people that even after spending that, they go on to borrow money for rent, money for bills, just because their main focus when you get money is to impress the next person, impress your friend, impress your relative, impress your neighbor. Because of that, it might be the reason why you're still broke today. And how do you fix that? You know, just eliminate some expensive habit of acting rich when you know that you're still struggling financially.
Our last reason why you are still broke today is lack of financial education. Let me tell you, most of the times this is almost everywhere in Africa and outside Africa, because of our education system don't give us a chance to learn about finances, to learn about money. So that's why maybe when you get it, you don't know how to budget very well, you don't know how to save, you don't know the right way to invest. So how are you going to solve this? Make sure you invest in learning about money, about finances. Attend seminars. Most of us fear to spend when there is a seminar educating about money, educating about finances. Spend, read books, buy books and read. Specifically, you want to understand, how do I save money? How do I budget for my expenses and my, my income? How do I invest right? So when you educate yourself about finances, you get all this knowledge, you have higher chances of improving yourself financially. So guys, that's what we had for you today. If you have been struggling financially, look at all these points that we have given to you. Trust me, we have given you all, even the solutions on how you can solve them. Your life will never be the same again.
Yes, guys, and make sure you don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Turn on your notifications so that you don't miss such videos. Like and comment this video. See you in our next lit video.